Hello friends, welcome to my review 360. So today we unboxing and review Decal Design Peacock Bird. It is a wall sticker. So here it is. So let's unboxing first. Then I'll tell you the features and details. So you see the product from the Amazon company. So here we open bill. Our peacock wall sticker. So you see the model name and the manufacturing on August 2018 net quantity, brand name, Decal Design, manufacturing marketed, and MRP 830, but on Amazon it is available on 129 only. Design your wall and show people's how creative you are. So let's open it from here. Open it carefully because it is a wall sticker, but don't take out from one side. Open another side also because it is a polymer plastic material. For safety you should open from other side also, and then from one side you push like this, and from other side you take out from like this. Let's see, like this, and hold like this. So you see the safety cover of this, so how solid it is, and your wall sticker is safe in this at the time of delivery. Use this. So here it is open. So look at this. So it's a beautiful Decal Design peacock bird wall sticker. See, only 129 rupees on Amazon. King of bird, it's true. It's very beautiful peacock. See, so let's I zoom to show you how the quality of the PVC material, like, see, and multicolor design. So first we have talk about the size of this, 60 centimeter to 90 centimeter. It is a multicolor, you see this, and it is ideal for family lounge, your bedroom, cafe, restaurant design, kids room, nursery room, etc. Wherever you want to stick on your wall. High quality decor your wall without any paint or anything. In quick minute, material use, it is a PVC material which is polyester plastic. It is a non-toxic and waterproof, so you are safe to purchase this. Long term it is used. It is a matte finish and weights in this 299 gram, and Amazon review about this product 4.1 out of 5 stars, so it is safe to purchase. Let's talk about how to apply on your wall. You should aware about this wall surface is smooth, free of moisture, dust and dirt. And second, simply peel these pre-cut pieces of wall sticker off from the back paper and apply them to the desired area. See, peel from the back paper, see, Peel from the back paper and apply it to the wall. See this different. Peel out this. After pasting the wall sticker on your wall, press firmly along the border. You press from like this, so it stick smoothly on your wall. And remove air bubbles with a pin or needle, so it is safe. So don't apply on wet wall. And it is safe to take help of your friends or family members. Minimum 2 members. So now our test time. It is waterproof or not. So let's test it. Clearly see the surface of Peacock PVC material. It is clean. And after water test, see. So you see that it is a non-toxic, waterproof. See, water is here only. Let's I zoom you. Water not move from here. Very less price available on MyZone, only 129 rupees. See, it is a very clean. See, let's I show you how water move from this. See, it is a very safe material. So purchase it. It is a beautiful peacock bird wall decoration item. It is a minimum 129 rupees on Amazon. So link I provide you in description below, where you directly purchase this beautiful wall sticker and design your wall with according to your preference. Subscribe my review 360 red icon and press the bell icon for our latest notification. So we met on our next video on second day. So thank you for watching my film. Thank you.